How to stretch video in CapCut Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to stretch the video in CapCut Android, first of all launch the CapCut application on your device. And as you do that, make sure you're logged into your account. Now after you're logged into your account, simply tap on the new project option at the top of the screen over here. As you do that, select any of the project over here so that you would want to stretch that video over here. I'm going to select a random one and then tap on add. So as I tap on add, it will be added to your project to be edited. Now if you want to stretch the video, what you can simply do over here is you can just make a particular cut over here, or you can just make a duplicate video, but this is the video that I have added. Now let me split the video over here. So just tap on the video and then tap on split and delete the other half of this video. And as I do that, let me just first repeat the process over here. And as I tap on delete over here, now if you want to stretch it, simply you can see the straight line. Just tap on it and drag it to the right of the screen. So when you do that, you'll be able to drag your video over here. So let me just delete this one over here again and then tap on it and just drag it over here. And that's how you can stretch a video in CapCut Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.